Hi everybody. Today we are going to do the problems from exercise 2.2. So in this all the problems are applications of simple equations. Let us see. So in that first one is find x in the following figures. In that this is first one. So it is triangle ABC and BC is extended to D. They formed an external angle that is 123 degrees. This is 123 and angle A equal to 56. We have to find the angle B, that is x. So here first of all write the given. So from figure, so angle A equal to 56, angle B equal to x, and exterior angle. So this is exterior angle, angle ACD equal to 123 degrees. We know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. That is, exterior angle equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. In a triangle, if a side is extended, the formed exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That is, angle ACD exterior angle equal to opposite angle A plus angle B. That is 123 degrees equal to 56 plus x. So here 56 plus x equal to, can write 123. X equal to 123, transposing plus 56 to right side, that is minus 56. Mutually interchanged. There is no change in sign. మ్యూచువల్గా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న మొత్తం రైట్ సైడ్కి, రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న మొత్తం లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలాంటి చేంజ్ కాదు, సైన్స్ చేంజ్ కావు. నా ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 123 minus 56, 67. So x equal to 67 degrees. That means angle B equal to, so okay. Now this is x. Now second one. So the second figure is, it is triangle PQR. In that angle P is given. Angle P equal to 45 degrees and angle R equal to 68 degrees. Angle Q equal to 3x plus 16. 3x plus 16. We have x in this angle. So we have to find this x. So by observing this, okay, what is given? The three angles are given. One of this angle we have the x. We have to find that x. So we know that the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. What is the angle P? 45 degrees. Angle Q is 68 degrees. Angle R is 3x plus 16 equal to 180. So 45 plus 68, 113. 113 plus 16, 129. So that is 3x plus 129 equal to 180. Then 3x equal to 180, transposing plus 129 to right side, that is minus 129. That is 3x equal to, by subtracting we will get 51. Therefore x equal to, transposing this 3 to right side, that will become in, this into will become divided by 51 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 is 2 remainder, 21. 3 7s are 21. Therefore x equal to 17. Okay, next one is, we have A, B, O and OCD, two triangles. Angle B angle B equal to 3x plus 10, angle C equal to 2x, and OC equal to CD, that is OA equal to AB. రెండిటి పైన సింగిల్ లైన్ ఉంది, దట్ మీన్స్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, CD ఈక్వల్ టు OC. ఈ రెండిటి పైన సేమ్ లైన్స్, టూ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దట్ మీన్స్ OA ఈక్వల్ టు AB. సో ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ triangle OAB. From triangle OAB, in that angle B equal to 3x plus 10, and what is given? We have this sign, means these two sides are equal, that is AB equal to AO or OA. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, their opposite angle should be equal. That means angle B equal to its opposite angle is AOB. These two angles are equal. Therefore, angle B equal to angle AOB. So what is B? B equal to 3x plus 10. Therefore, angle AOB is also 3x plus 10. In this, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. That means angle AOB equal to angle COD, since vertically opposite angles. So therefore angle COD equal to, what is this? 3x plus 10. Angle AOB equal to 3x plus 10. Therefore angle COD is also 3x plus 10. Now from triangle COD, angle C is 2x. This is given, and also given that CD equal to OC. So we have this lines, means these two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, their opposite angle should be equal. That means angle COD equal to its opposite angle is D. That is, therefore angle COD equal to angle D. What is the angle COD? COD is 3x plus 10. Therefore angle D is also 3x plus 10. Now it is a triangle. COD is a triangle. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So from triangle, okay, that means angle C plus angle D plus angle COD equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle C equal to 2x plus angle D is 3x plus 10 plus angle COD equal to 3x plus 10 equal to 180 degrees. So here it is 2x, 3x, and again we have 3x. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8x. By adding all the variables, we have 8x. Plus, at left side we have only two constants, 10 plus 10, 20, equal to 180 degrees. 8x equal to, first of all transpose constant, that is plus 20, to right side, that will become minus 20. 8x equal to 180 minus 20 is 160. X equal to 160 into 8 transpose to right side by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 0. X equal to 20. X equal to 20. Okay, next question is, the difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the number. So what is given? The difference between two numbers is 8. So let us suppose greater number is x. What is greater number is x. What is the smaller number? The difference between bigger and smaller. So that is greater minus smaller equal to 8. Greater minus smaller equal to 8. Therefore, how can you get smaller? By subtract the difference of greater and smaller is 8. Therefore, by subtracting 8 from greater, you can get the smaller. So that is x minus 8. By adding 2 to greater, the resulting is, if 2 is, okay, what is the next condition? If 2 is added to greater number, if 2 is added to the greater number, the result will be 3 times the smaller. 3 times the smaller. Then find the numbers. Okay, let us see. Let bigger number is bigger number be bigger number be x. Bigger number x అనుకున్నాం. So and the difference equal to, so what is the difference? 8. So therefore smaller number equal to smaller number equal to what it will become? X. Greater number minus different equal to, will get smaller number. బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్కి స్మాలర్ నెంబర్కి డిఫరెంట్ 8 ఉంది అంటే గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ నుంచి ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే మనకు స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ కండిషన్? ఇఫ్ 2 ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ టు గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్, ద రిజల్ట్ విల్ బికమ్ 3 times ద స్మాలర్ నెంబర్. స్మాలర్ నెంబర్కి 3 times అంటే ఇంటూ 3 అవుతుంది అని అర్థం. ఓకే, so that I'm going to write directly as per condition. What is the condition? By adding 2 to greater number, the result will become 3 times the smaller. What is the smaller number? X minus 8. This is the equation. By solving this equation, we will get the answer. Let us see. X plus 2 equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 8 are 24. Transpose, write all the variables at left side and constants to right side. So that is x plus 3x will become minus 3x equal to minus 24 plus 2 transpose to right side minus 2. So that is x minus 3x is minus 2x. So biggest has minus n. So put minus. So both has minus n's. Both have minus n's. So minus 26. So here x equal to minus 26. It is into. So by transposing right side, it will become minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. X equal to 13. What is the x? Bigger number. Therefore, bigger number equal to bigger number equal to 13. What is the smaller? Smaller number equal to, how can you get smaller? X minus 8, that is 13 minus 8, that equal to 5. So bigger number is 13, smaller number is 5. Next question is, what are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and the difference is 28? So what is given? Sum equal to 58 and difference equal to 28. Let us see. So what is given? Sum equal to sum of two numbers. Two numbers equal to numbers equal to 58. Next, second one, difference. Difference of two numbers is 28. So from two numbers, let us take the first number. Let first number be x. ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ని ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాం. రెండిట్లలో వాటి సమ్ చేస్తే 58, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే డిఫరెన్స్ చేస్తే 28 వస్తుందట. దెన్ ఐ హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద టూ నెంబర్స్. లెట్ అస్ ద ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ బి ఎక్స్. దాంట్లో ఒక దాన్ని అయితే ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాం. దెన్ సెకండ్ నెంబర్, వాట్ విల్ బి ద సెకండ్ నెంబర్? ద సెకండ్ నెంబర్ షుడ్ బి 58 మైనస్ ఎక్స్. ఎందుకంటే రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 58 వస్తుంది. ఒకటి ఎక్స్ అంటే ఇంకోటి ఏమవుతుంది? 58 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది అన్నట్టు. సపోజ్ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 58 వస్తుంది. దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ది ఎక్స్, సెకండ్ది కావాలంటే ఏంటిది? 58 బై ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ టు రైట్ సైడ్, దట్ విల్ బికమ్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్. 58 మైనస్ ఎక్స్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ కండిషన్? డిఫరెన్స్. So difference of first and second is 28. That means x minus 58 minus x, the first minus second, equal to 28. So by removing brackets, minus into plus, minus 58 minus into minus plus x equal to 28. X plus x, that means 1x plus 1x, that is 2x. There is no coefficient, means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 58 equal to 28. 2x equal to 28 minus 58 transpose to right side plus 58. So that is 2x equal to 86. X equal to 86 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 6. X equal to 43. What is the x? First number. So first number equal to 43. Then second number. Second number equal to 58 minus x, that equal 58 minus 43, that equal to 15. So it is second number. Okay, these are from exercise 2. So remaining problems we will do in next video. Thank you. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you one and all.